Here we are, family. Washington, D.C., the official capital of this fine country. Let's park over here.
Yay, we're at the White House, my favorite landmark of all time. Did you know this is actually the back of the White House, and not the front?
Yes, anyone with half a brain knew that.
Cody, behave now, or else you'll receive your first strike. Kids, the President of the United States is walking up to greet us. Make sure to greet him.
Hello there, my fellow Americans. Welcome to the White House. I'm your one and only first black president, Barack Obama.
Oh
Mr. President, it's an honor to have you serve our country.
Thank you for getting that buffoon Bush out of office.
Hey Obama, monkey want a banana?
What? What's that you said?
I said, does monkey want a banana? You're black, like a monkey.
Guards, escort these people away from the White House. If needed, use lethal force.
Quick, run. Okay, Cody. Making fun of the President of the United States and having the Secret Service shoot at us should be punishment worthy enough. But since we just got here and want to enjoy our day, you will receive a strike instead. 2 more strikes and you will be grounded and we will head home.
Okay, Daddy.
Wow, look at that sight, the big pointy stick. Hey, let's get a picture of Caillou standing in front of it, and have it look like the monument is coming out of him.
That would be funny.
Okay, that looks, just go a little to your left. No, that's too much, go back a bit. Yes, that's perfect. Doris, why is there a blue dot in the picture here?
Let me see. That looks like Cody.
Hey Mom and Dad, Caillou and Rosie, it's a cool sight up here.
Oh my god. We have to go catch him.
Look, Thor is on top of the monument. He's going to fall.
Oh God, it might be too late.
This is so much fun. Now I'm having a good time. Whoa, that one is strong. Whoa. Oh no. I'm going to die. Someone help.
Do you think this is a good spot to sit? Not many kids here.
Wow.
Oh my good god.
Oh, whoa. Ow, why'd you drop that towel?
Cody, how dare you run from us and almost die from falling off the Washington Monument? Get over here now, you're lucky this couple saved you.
You ass! Thank you to you jerks! Can I even say thank you to us?
Okay, Cody, second strike. 1 more and we leave Washington, D.C.
Where are we at anyway? We're literally staring at a wall.
Cody, have some respect. This here is the Vietnam Veterans Wall. It was made in the 1980s to honor the soldiers who died throughout the Vietnam War from the 1960s to the 1970s.
Do we have any family here, Dad?
Thankfully not Caillou. But Mr. Henkel's brother was a Vietnam soldier who was injured in the war. He had a friend of his who indeed died in the war. His name would be on this wall.
I'm sorry to bother, but could you all just quiet it down a bit? I just need to talk to my father for just a few minutes here.
We're sorry, we will move on.
Thank you. You were kind.
This wall is so stupid. It's full of people I don't know. Why couldn't the stupid people that made this wall put pictures of the people who died in whatever war this was? Oh God, I did too much coke in the car. I have to pee really bad. Mommy, Daddy, is there a bathroom anywhere? I have to pee real bad.
Cody, don't talk so loud. This place you have to be quiet. No, there's no bathroom around. Hold it in.
Ugh. I can't hold it in. I need to go to the bathroom somewhere. Wait, I got it. I'll just pee on the wall here. Nobody cares that I peed here. It's the old wall with old people no one cares about, and there's no bathroom around. Ah, that felt so good.
Oh hey Cody, we were looking at the map here, and there actually is a bathroom nearby. Just south of here about a block away. We can go there now.
Oh my god! Is that what I think it is?
What is that nasty smell? You. Did you seriously pee on the ground?
What? You really think I would do any great thing like that? How dare you? My father and uncle died in this war! I would never desecrate the war memorial with a bodily function! You might have though!
Well, if we didn't pee on it, who did? That boy, he said he had to go to the bathroom.
Cody, you couldn't have, could you?
No, of course not.
Tell us the truth.
Mummy. Yes, I did.
Oh, Cody, how dare you do something so disgraceful and illegal? You vandalized a memorial for people who died in one of the worst wars in United States history. You are such a disgusting child.
You should see relentlessly was shot down literally! All of the fallen soldiers are rolling at their graves, looking at your disgusted face!
You can do it, soldier man. I give you permission to shoot on sight. Well, Cody, you are now grounded. You got 3 strikes. Your first punishment was getting gunned down by the hefty soldier there. Your second punishment, having your ugly face beat on live TV. Third and final punishment, having Barack Obama spit on your face.
Please. Who's the monkey now?
Now go to sleep, Cody. We will be leaving tomorrow to go home.
Yucky, monkey spit.
Toodaloo!